Living in Blackfalds, Alberta, a comprehensive guide. Have you ever considered relocating to a small community that offers both tranquility and convenient access to urban amenities? If so, Blackfalds, Alberta, may be your ideal destination. Nestled just north of Red Deer, this growing town presents a unique blend of suburban life and modern infrastructure. In this article, we will explore what it is like to live in Blackfalds, covering its demographics, amenities, real estate market, and lifestyle. By the end, you will have a clearer picture of whether this community is the right fit for you. Location and accessibility of Blackfalds, Alberta. Blackfalds is strategically positioned just 13 kilometers north of Red Deer, a major urban center in central Alberta. This prime location offers several advantages for residents who desire both the tranquility of a small town and the conveniences of city life. Commute and transportation. The short distance to Red Deer translates to a manageable commute, typically taking around 20 minutes by car. This allows residents to easily access employment opportunities, shopping centers, healthcare facilities, and entertainment options in the city without having to live in a densely populated area. The efficient commute is particularly appealing for families, professionals, and retirees who appreciate the balance between work and leisure. Urban conveniences. Living in Blackfalds means residents can enjoy a quieter lifestyle while still being close to urban amenities. For instance, Red Deer boasts a variety of shops, restaurants, schools, and recreational facilities that Blackfalds residents can utilize. Whether it's grocery shopping, dining out, or accessing cultural events, everything is within a short drive, making it easy to enjoy the best of both worlds. Community feel. Despite its proximity to Red Deer, Blackfalds maintains a distinct small-town atmosphere. The community is known for its friendly residents and tight-knit neighborhoods, which can make it an ideal place for families looking to settle down. The ability to participate in local events and activities enhances the sense of belonging and community spirit. Future development. As Blackfalds continues to grow, plans for improved transportation infrastructure may further enhance accessibility. Future developments could include better roadways or public transit options, making it even easier for residents to travel to and from Red Deer and other nearby areas. This potential for growth in infrastructure adds to the appeal of living in Blackfalds, as it indicates a forward-thinking community that values connectivity. Growth and development. Blackfalds, Alberta, has undergone significant transformation over the past decade, establishing itself as one of the fastest-growing municipalities in Canada from 2010 to 2016. This period of rapid growth has shaped the community in various ways, leading to a vibrant environment that continues to attract new residents and businesses. Rapid population growth. During the noted growth period, Blackfalds attracted many new residents, drawn by its appealing blend of small-town charm and proximity to Red Deer. While the pace of growth has slowed in recent years, Blackfalds continues to expand at nearly double the provincial average. This sustained growth reflects a strong demand for housing and community services, indicating that more people are choosing to call Blackfalds home. Proactive local government. The local government has played a crucial role in facilitating this growth. By implementing policies that support infrastructure improvements and commercial development, officials have laid the groundwork for a thriving community. Investments in roads, utilities, and public services have enhanced the quality of life for residents, making Blackfalds an attractive location for families and businesses alike. New business development. In 2023, Blackfalds welcomed nearly 50 new businesses, a testament to its commitment to enhancing local services and amenities. This influx of businesses not only diversifies the local economy but also provides residents with more shopping, dining, and service options. The growing commercial landscape contributes to the community's overall vibrancy and supports job creation, further enhancing the appeal of living in Blackfalds. Educational advancements. A significant development on the horizon is the construction of a new high school, set to open for the 2024 to 2025 school year. This modern educational facility will serve local students, reducing the need for transportation to schools in neighboring towns. By investing in education, Blackfalds demonstrates its commitment to supporting families and ensuring that children have access to quality schooling within their community. Infrastructure improvements. As the population grows, so does the need for improved infrastructure. Blackfalds has focused on upgrading roads, public transportation options, and community facilities. These enhancements not only accommodate the increasing number of residents but also improve overall connectivity within the town and to nearby urban centers. Such infrastructure developments are essential for sustaining growth and ensuring that the community remains accessible and functional. Infrastructure and amenities. Blackfalds is not just a residential area, it boasts a variety of modern amenities that cater to its growing population. Recreation facilities. The Abbey Center, a state-of-the-art recreational facility, is one of the town's highlights. This center features gymnasiums, indoor running tracks, field houses, an outdoor water park with water slides. These facilities provide residents with numerous options for fitness and recreation, making it an excellent place for families and individuals alike. Community spaces. In addition to the Abbey Center, Blackfalds has invested in parks and community spaces. The town features inclusive playgrounds that accommodate children with disabilities, emphasizing its commitment to accessibility. There is also a mountain bike park and an off-leash dog park, catering to outdoor enthusiasts and pet owners. Shopping and dining. Historically, Blackfalds had limited shopping options, but this has changed dramatically. With the recent influx of new businesses, residents now have access to a variety of grocery stores, restaurants, and services. This development has made day-to-day living more convenient, reducing the need to travel to Red Deer for basic necessities. Real estate market. The real estate market in Blackfalds is robust, with a steady increase in property values. As of 2023, the median price for a detached home has risen to approximately $370,000, up from $347,000 in 2021. This appreciation reflects the area's growing popularity and demand. While the prices have increased, Blackfalds still offers more affordable options compared to Red Deer, where the median home price is around $380,000. This price difference makes Blackfalds an appealing choice for first-time homebuyers and families looking for value. Demographics and community life. Blackfalds has a youthful demographic, making it an attractive place for families. The community is vibrant, with many young families and children actively participating in local events and activities. This youthful energy contributes to a friendly and welcoming atmosphere. The town is also home to a diverse population, with residents from various backgrounds. Community events, such as markets and festivals, foster a sense of belonging and encourage social interaction among residents. Lifestyle and entertainment. While Blackfalds may not be known for a bustling nightlife, it offers a range of recreational options. The town hosts various community events throughout the year, including festivals and markets that bring residents together. For those seeking more nightlife options, Red Deer is just a short drive away and offers bars, lounges, and entertainment venues. However, many residents appreciate the quieter lifestyle that Blackfalds provides, focusing more on family activities and community involvement. Considerations for living in Blackfalds. While there are numerous advantages to living in Blackfalds, it is essential to consider some factors that may influence your decision. 1. Limited scenic trails. Unlike nearby towns such as Lacombe, which offer picturesque walking trails and water bodies, Blackfalds may lack some of these natural attractions. If outdoor scenery is a priority for you, this is something to consider. 2. Proximity to highway noise. Certain areas of Blackfalds are close to the busiest highway in Alberta. While this may not be a significant issue for everyone, it is important to assess potential noise levels if you are sensitive to such disturbances. 3. Growing property prices. As demand for housing in Blackfalds increases, so do property prices. This trend may affect affordability for some buyers, particularly first-time homeowners. Conclusion. Blackfalds, Alberta, presents a compelling case for those seeking a vibrant community with modern amenities and a family-friendly atmosphere. Its close proximity to Red Deer, coupled with a range of recreational facilities and a growing economy, makes it an attractive option for many. While there are considerations to keep in mind, the benefits of living in Blackfalds far outweigh the drawbacks for most residents. If you found this information helpful, be sure to check out our other videos and articles on moving to new communities. Your feedback is valuable to us, so please leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions about living in Blackfalds or any other community. Your insights help us create better content tailored to your needs.